Hello there, welcome to Suffolk Apple. Today we're exploring the sweet and fascinating world of honey. This golden nectar has a rich history, numerous health benefits, and some intriguing botanical traits. So, let's embark on this honey journey together. Honey is produced by bees from the nectar of flowers. These hard-working insects play a crucial role in our ecosystem, not just by producing honey, but also by pollinating plants. Historically, honey has been cherished for thousands of years, not just for its sweetness, but also for its medicinal and cultural significance. Ancient Egyptians used it for medicinal purposes, treating wounds and ailments, and as an offering to their gods, symbolizing purity and health. In Greece, it was considered the food of the gods, often featured in myths and rituals believed to bring divine favor. The Romans used it to heal wounds, recognizing its antibacterial properties, and to sweeten their food, making it a staple in their cuisine. Today, honey is enjoyed worldwide, adding natural sweetness to everything from tea to baked goods. But beyond its delightful taste, honey offers some impressive health benefits. First, honey is rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals in the body. These antioxidants can reduce oxidative stress and may lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Second, it has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a natural remedy for infection. Honey can be applied to wounds and burns to promote healing and prevent infection. Third, honey can soothe sore throats and coughs, providing relief from cold symptoms. It acts as a natural cough suppressant and can be mixed with warm tea or lemon for added benefits. And fourth, it promotes digestive health by acting as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. This can improve overall digestion and boost your immune system, keeping you healthier. Let me share a little story. I once decided to make a honey lemon tea to combat a persistent cough. The soothing warmth and natural sweetness of the honey, combined with the tartness of the lemon, worked wonders and quickly became my go-to remedy. Now here's an unusual fact. A single bee produces only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. It takes the combined effort of thousands of bees to fill a single jar of honey. Now, I have a challenge for you. Try incorporating honey into a new recipe this week. Whether it's adding it to your yogurt, baking honey muffins, or making a honey-based salad dressing, get creative and share your results with us in the comments. Thanks for joining us on this honey journey. We hope you found it as fascinating as we did. From the intricate dance of the bees to the golden nectar they produce, it's truly a marvel of nature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting content. Your support helps us bring more amazing stories from the natural world. What plants should we delve into next? We're always eager to explore new topics and share them with you. Let us know in the comments below. Your suggestions and feedback are invaluable to us. See you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the world with us. There's always something new to discover. Bye for now.